Hi George, this is Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Just wanted to give you a walk around video of the Highlander you are interested in. This one's got a paint job called Magnetic Gray Metallic with a black interior. It's gonna have a power hatch on the back. Full safety features, blind spot monitor, pre-collision system, lane keep assist, radar cruise control, automatic high beams. It even notifies you if someone's in the back seat and you try and get out of the car, it'll let you know that you left someone back there. Unless, of course, it was intentional, then you just have to deal with the beeper. Toyota Highlander is the #1 selling SUV of this market class. Just found that out yesterday, as a matter of fact. Toyota released the numbers. You do get 2 years of free factory maintenance, good at any Toyota dealer. And they all have the third row. This particular one does have captain's chairs in the second row. You can also get this with a bench seat, no additional charge. Heated seats are super comfortable. Of course, backup camera, built-in garage door opener called HomeLink. Several USB charging points. Also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for your smartphone. Let me know how this looks. If you'd like to set up a time to come down and see it, I'm at 253-394-0046. Again, it's Ken at Doxon Toyota, and I appreciate your interest, George. Thanks again.